So FedUni were looking to offset power bills. They needed something that's going to have long-term return on investment. We've installed 100 kilowatts across a couple of roofs, a few inverted locations. Challenges FedUni, access. So basically with the access we're using scissor lifts to get up onto the roof. You've got the sawtooth roof as well, so that's casting significant shadow behind it on some days, so you have to allow for shading issues. Everything's optimised on that roof, so if there's one slight shading issue in one area, that's not going to affect the other performance of the other panels on the system. So at FedUni, they were looking to be as green as possible. It was a gutted building, so they went with energy efficient everything. They were looking to get the best that they could on the roof at the time. So we had 4 guys working on that one. Took 2 weeks to install. We had scissor lift, manual handling, obviously getting stuff up onto the roof. It was a fun install. A few challenges with the sawtooth and the fact that they were very steep pitches, and those are the 300 watt panels, 25-year warranty, and it's going to perform with over the 25 years as opposed to something with 12 or 10-year warranty. It's going to perform a lot better than existing products on the market.